Hello Raider Nation, today is August 5th, 2018. It is a Sunday, so no action. You can start seeing the levels going up over here. You can see a lot more steel going around. I'm standing on Hacienda. This is the road on the north side of the property. So obviously I'm facing south. The last two nights, on Thursday night, Friday night, I drive by at 3 a.m. They were working. I think they're pouring concrete at night because this is so damn hot here in the day. So they're usually not here all the time at night, but they have been a few days this week. It looked like they were working on this side closest to the freeway. Alright, I'm going to go on, get a couple different views. I'm going to go get some shots on the other side. Alright, I'm back on the north end. I'm on street level right now. So you can just see a little different view. Normally when I'm on north side, that's where I'm taking it from, right up there on the bridge. I'm usually standing right where the fence on the bridge starts. I'm standing next to that. So as you can see, you can't see as much down here, but it's starting to go up. All right, I'm gonna walk over to the east side. Alright, now I'm standing on the west side facing east. You can see down inside, you can see a lot more columns going up and more another level. I don't know if you guys could see the haze on the video from all those fires in California. This is just all the smoke coming to town. So they had an announcement last week on the news out here, and they said they're on track to be finished July 31st, 2020. I know there's a lot of non-believers, but they say they're right on track. Alright, I'm gonna go to the other side. We're straight across from here. I'm gonna go take some shots from the east side. Alright, this is the fencing down the east side. Got Raiders logos all the way down. And we're gonna look up inside. So this is the east side facing west. A lot more steel going up. Alright, if you keep wanting to see updates, just subscribe to my channel, Duntov 1967. I try to put them minimum once a month, but I've been doing it every 2-3 weeks. Alright, thanks for looking. Talk to you later, Raider Nation.